guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. If you're new here, duh. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So I'm gonna keep this intro really quick and brief because you know your girl, she likes to talk. And so as far as my midweek, I need 8 offers for $3. Should be pretty easy to knock it out. I wanted to mention my last video, the Arm & Hammer. Quite a few of you guys said I got the wrong one. I literally scanned it on Swagbucks and was like, okay, it's good, but no, it was a no-go. And so that receipt was rejected from Be Frugal, and I literally am returning it today. The degree didn't go through anywhere, and so, which is fine. I was gonna buy it anyways, right? And so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up on that. And so with that being said, y'all, listen, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to pick up awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl. All right, y'all. So this first deal, I was literally checking every checkout lane for these. They have them on this little end cap at the checkout. So it's on the Harkin candy bars. It's not free for Ibotta. We're getting back $2, so it's going to make it 97 cents with a limit of 5. We also have an offer on the Zax's Mighty tortilla chips. And these are really good, y'all. I got them for free on Social Nature before in the past. I think it was Isle as well. I almost ate the whole damn bag, y'all. Really, really good. Although I haven't tried the avocado oil one. So this is an offer for Social Nature. It popped up a few days ago. There was 3 different ones, but it was a limit of 1. So once you clipped one, the others disappeared. So on my account, I clipped this one first. So it's just a smaller bag. It's priced at $2.68. You're going to get that back through Social Nature, making it absolutely free. Now they do have the larger bags. They are priced at $4.17, and I did pick the larger bag for Joseph's account. So grabbing 2 of them at $4.17, you'd pay $8.34. We have a free offer for Social Nature, and then we have a buy one get one free for Isle as well. I've already done it because I've texted the number like multiple times. I'm not getting anything back. So I think it's because I already did it a while ago. Basically making both bags absolutely free. Just a reminder, if you haven't grabbed the Smart Food popcorn, it's a Fetch Reward offer. At my store, it's on this rolly thing. Well, it's not a rolly thing. It's a stationary thing, but it has all of the little chips on it. So for this, you want to grab 2 of them. We have an offer for Fetch Reward that's buy 2 get back 150. So it makes it a 50-cent moneymaker, limit of 3. So you can grab 6 at one time, which is what I did. I think these pajamas are so cute, but literally when I was walking in, I saw a lady that was wearing them. I was just like, only, my friends, only will you see that at Walmart. I was like, you will never, ever, ever catch me out in public with my pajamas on. Like, yeah, these suits are so cute. I saw them last time I was here, and I was like, I'm gonna get one so bad, but I would probably look like a hot dog. Like, literally. So this next deal is on the Herdez. It's on the pepper paste. It's priced at $2.98. For this, we have an offer on Ibotta that is $1.50. I believe the limit on that is 5, bringing it down to $1.48 each. I lowered the volume for this clip because some of y'all was saying it was a little on the loud side. All right, so Linda and Amy, you guys are my winners of the Dove hang tag giveaway. Email me at savingwithshay@outlook.com. We'll get you verified so I can mail you out your coupons. I'll probably send extras because I usually always send extras. Still is on the Lay's. I did get offers for this on my Flavor Wiki account for my second one. And so, but I actually grabbed this at Bonds. I think they were buy 2 get 2 free. which would make them, I guess, around the same price. Getting back $3 on Flavor Wiki, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. So this deal here is on the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. I was gonna do this deal, but the points have dropped on Be Frugal. I mean, it still makes it a pretty decent deal though. So we're grabbing two of them priced at $3.67. The total is going to come to $7.34, getting back $4.21 on Be Frugal, $1 on Checkout 51, and $1.50 on either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, making them 31 cents each. All right, so this deal here is on the Clorox Sentiva. I really wanted to try the pink one, the Blossom something of another. They are priced at $2.96, getting back $1 on Checkout 51, $1 on Swagbucks, and 50 cents on Ibotta. It's going to bring that down to 46 cents. So next up is the Arm & Hammer. I think I'm going to grab the one up here. It's the 43 ounce. It looks like it's priced at $3.84. Now, I have used this Knox coupon before on it, so I'm hoping that it still works. It would bring that total down to $1.84, and then you would get back $2 on Ibotta. It will end up making that a 16-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. The deal on the Purox is still pretty decent. It's still on rollback for $8.97. For this, getting back $3 for either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, $1.87 on Be Frugal, and then $1.25 on Checkout 51, make that $2.85. All right, next up is the Arm & Hammer Scent Boosters, priced at $4.93, getting back $3 on Ibotta would make that $1.93 with a limit of 2. I was debating if I wanted to do this deal again, but I'm super close to cashing out on Checkout 51. I didn't get it before the 9th, so I'm gonna do the Miss Myers. It's on the diffuser kit, price at $9.97. I'm getting back 5 on Checkout 51 and 5 on my points. It's gonna make that a 3-cent moneymaker. The deal on the Glade room fresheners is still a decent deal, and it's available for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, priced at $2.98, getting back 2, making that 98 cents. Is it just me, or were these cheaper? Because I feel like they used to be cheaper. Now they're $17.78. Wasn't they like $12 or something like that? In any occasion, now they're priced at $17.78. Now for this, we have a triple rebate. We have $5 on Ibotta, Checkout 51, and one of the sister apps. It's going to bring it down to $2.78. All right, guys, so this deal here is on the Febreze on the go. It doesn't look like this particular store carries it, but it is priced at $2.08. We have an offer for Walmart Rewards, getting back $2, bringing that down to only 8 cents. So this deal here is on the Perts. It's on the 2-in-1. The one they have here is the pump. This store doesn't carry the smaller one. It's priced at $3.18. We have an offer on Ibotta for $1.50, which would make that $1.68. All right, so the next few deals are going to be Colgate deals, available for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. The first one here is on the Colgate Max Fresh. It's on the Ultra Freeze. They're priced at $5.22. We have an offer on Ibotta for each flavor for $4, making that $1.22. We also have offers for Colgate Total. We have one for the Gum Protect and the Plaque Cleanse. The Gum Protect is priced at $5.36, getting back $5 on Ibotta, makes that 36 cents. And the Plaque price at $6.26, getting back $5 on Ibotta, makes that $1.26. Again, also available for Walmart Rewards as well. All right, so the next deals we have are on the razors. The extreme price at $6.78. Now we do have a $3 printable on coupons.com that bring the total down to $3.78. Getting back to on Ibotta, make that $1.78. And then we also have the Skin Timid price at $6.27, $3 coupon. You'd pay $3.27. Getting back 2 would make that $1.27. And then the Hydro Silk $6.78, $3 printable. You'd pay $3.78. Getting back to it, make that $1.78. And again, for these deals, I am using the $4 printable. It's no longer available, and it's also not. All right, this deal here is on the Revlon Beauty Tool. The cheapest item they have is the Clipper, price at $3.18. Getting back $2 on Ibotta and $2 on one of the sister apps would make that an 82-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all. So here is my complete little mini haul for today. This was pretty easy. The perfect bar in the front, I grabbed that at Aldi. It was a freebie. It was actually a small money maker. It was $2.45. Got back $2.69 on Ibotta. I didn't even think they carried the single serve ones. Well, I didn't think they carried them at all, to be honest. But I grabbed it while I was there. Everything else worked out good. All my coupons I used today scanned. Walmart rewards, everything there worked out okay as well. I kind of messed up with the Revlon nail clipper. I thought it was on checkout 51 and the sister apps, but it actually is excludes Walmart, I believe. So, but I went ahead and kept it anyways, because like, when aren't we looking for nail clippers? And so it ends up making it $1.18, which for me is not necessarily bad. So plus it was my 8th offer that I needed, and I did not want to have to worry about doing any more offers, and I definitely didn't want to have to cash out for a Walmart or a gift card. And so other than that, y'all, I'm gonna try to breeze. Let me show you the receipt really quick, actually. All right, so there goes the receipt. I have a few receipts, but this is the one that has coupons, so that's why we're showing you this one. So as you can see, the $2 coupon is still scanning. And what else? The Skintimate, the $4 printable, that one is also still scanning. I think I have like one more Arm & Hammer coupon. I gotta reach out to my IP Fairy. I'll pop her up, but she does subscriptions now. And so I don't even think she's really just selling to everybody. I think you have to have a subscription with her. And I know someone just hit me up on IG about my IP Fairy, because her IP Fairy does subscriptions, so does mine. I don't know if that's something new that the IP Fairies are doing. For me to still get IPs, I don't have a subscription with her. I think she's charging $32 for the whole year. I have contemplated on whether or not to get it. She does offer IPs for free weekly as well. So I don't know. And so I did want to mention that I thought about ordering more of the Arm & Hammer if she still has it, because it is a Knox coupon. The Skintimate, I had ordered 2 sets of those, so I'm pretty good on those for a while. And then if I needed to print the $3 coupon from coupons.com, I would do that as well. But obviously my first choice is going to be the Knox one. But other than that, y'all, let me breeze through my numbers really quick. So everything that you see here retails $89.83. I had $18 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $71.83. And then I walked away with $34.19 from Ibotta, $16 from Walmart rewards, checkout 51 and my points, both $6. Flavor Wiki is $3. And last but not least, Social Nature is $2.68. It brings my total back to $67.87, making everything you see here a net cost of $3.96, are only 22 cents each. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, I want to see a watermelon emoji, and I will see you in the next